proportion. What's the difference between ratio and what? And proportion? Variation is a type of proportion. Are you with me? But I will not talk about, the first proportion I will talk about now is when you are now, a ratio that you're comparing, for ratio you're comparing how many things? Two things, right? Yeah. If I now say, I want to share, this time around, I'm sharing for Philip, for Surulere, and I'm sharing for what now? For Amy. And more than what now? More than 2 now, right? Yeah. And I'm doing in a ratio of what? Of 3 is to 2 is to 1. 3 is to 2 is to 1, right? Sorry. 3 is to 2 is to 1. What will my total in this case? 6. It's 6. You follow me? My total is 6. So if I tell you that I want to share 3,000 USD for them. I want to share 3,000 USD for the 3 of them. This is not proportion, right? Please tell me. This 3,000 now, is it for the total for Amy, for Surulere, or for Philip?
It's for the total.
For the total. So I'm going to what? I want to find out how much Philip is going to get. What my fraction be? It is what? 3 over 6 times what? 3,000. And if we do this, what will we get?
You get.
You're getting what now? 3 times 6. It's 1,000. No, it's not 6,000. 3 into this is 500. 3 times 500 is 1,500.
It'll be 9,500.
No, it's 1,500.
1,500.
1,500. So Philip get what? 1,500 USD. Right? If I want to find out how much Surulere gets, it's going to be what? 2 over what? 6 times what? 3,000. In this case, it's going to be what now? 1,000. So Surulere gets what? 1,000. Are you getting me? Then if I want to do for what? For Amy. Amy is going to be what? 1 over 6 times what? 3,000. In this case, I'm getting what now? 500. Are you getting that? 500 what? USD. So in case of proportion, you're sharing for more than what now? More than 2. Are you getting that? So I'm having what now? Let's check out. 1,500 plus 1,000 is 2,500. 2,500 plus 500 is what now? 3,000. Are you with me? Now let us say that we don't even know what everyone got. Are you with me? We don't know that that value is 3,000. But we are just told that Surulere got what? 1,000. We are told that Surulere got what? 1,000. And then say we should find out what? How much did the others get? Surulere got what? 1,000. Let's find out how much the others got. If I want to now what? Do my fraction or bring the fraction out now, what's going to be my denominator this time around?
1,000.
So if I want to find for Philip, okay, I want to find for Philip, it will be what now?
3 over 1,000.
3 over? 3 over what now?
3 over 6.
No, we're doing 2. 3 over 2. Thank you. It's 3 over what now? Over 2. Why is that? Because I'm comparing against what now? Surulere. Surulere was giving what? 1,000. I want to find out how much what? Philip got. 3 is to what now? Is to that. So 3 over 2 times what?
1,500.
Times 1,000, right? So at the end of the day, I'll get what now? 1,005, which was what we got before. You know what I'm saying? 1,005 is what we got what now? Before.
Yeah.
It was 1,005 now. 3 over 2 times 1,000.
3 over 2 times 1,000.
Times 1,000. It's 1,005. So 1,005. Right?
How are you comparing the proportion?
So what? If I want to do for Surulere and Amy, what will it be?
So it will be 1 over 2
1 over
times
2.
1,000.
Times what now? 1,000. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, I still get what?
500.
I get that. This is what now? Ratio and proportion. I want to show you one thing before we leave here. This is mostly what we're going to apply when we start doing what now? Variation. Variation is where we are going to. Are you getting it? So if I have, hello? If I have to go by what I will show you for variation is that I'll have 3 is to 2 1000 is to x. This is what? Philip. This is what? Sulu. Are you getting it? Philip Sulu. Right? Because it's a direct proportion. What is a direct proportion? As one is increasing, the other is what now? Increasing. As one is decreasing, the other is what now? Decreasing. The more the ratio, the higher the amount. So you understand what I'm saying? As long as it's direct proportion, when you bring the value out like this, we don't know what Philip got. So we say it's what? X. Let the value be X, right? So what do we do now? We cross what?
Multiply.
We cross multiply, we get what? That 2x is equal to 3000. If I divide both sides by 2, I get that x is equal to what? 1.5. Because this is what I'll use mostly for what now? For variation. And isn't it? This is what I'll use mostly for what? For variation. This is another way you can what? You can solve it. You just bring out the value. What was the total value we got? The total value we got was what now? 3000, right? How much was shared for them? 3000 was shared for them, right? Now, if I'm giving you total value for 3000, let me show you something, one last thing before we wrap up this. If I'm giving you total value for what? 3000, which was what we got originally. Huh? And I said you should find out what? You should find out how much Amy had. Amy had, hello? I have the Amy's value and I'm giving what now? The total. What is the ratio? 1 is what? It's to 6. Right? Now I have total to be what? 3000. And I what now? Say let this be y, right? Let this be y this somewhere. So what do? I cross what? Multiply.
6y.
6y. Because what? 3000. Divide both sides by 6. Y is what? 500. Do you understand? And if you can master this, anyhow they coin the question, you'll be able to work now to answer it. Are you getting me? So, I'm going to leave proportion and ratio, and I'm going to go to what now? To variation. Is that okay? Thank you.